How can I prevent mold growth? There are 4 major causes of mold damage in residents: floods, leaks in the building envelope, for example around window frames and roof, condensation, and unattended plumbing leaks. The key to preventing and stopping indoor mold growth is to control excessive moisture and condensation. Keeping susceptible areas in the home clean and dry is critical. In general, mold will not grow indoors without water, dampness, or excessive moisture. In the case of floods or leaking pipes, any standing water should be promptly removed, and water-damaged materials should either be dried out and cleaned or removed and replaced. Porous materials that are wet for more than 48 hours are likely to produce mold growth and should normally be discarded. In instances where the water damage is extensive, it is recommended that professional help be consulted. Clean and repair gutters regularly. Make sure the ground slopes down and away from the home's foundation, and keep air conditioner and refrigerator drip pans and drain lines clean. Indoor relative humidity can build up if there's not enough air exchange with outdoor air or the air is not properly conditioned. Where there is little or no air movement, such as behind dressers and cabinets, surfaces can remain cooler than surrounding areas. This can lead to increased condensation and mold growth. Use exhaust fans vented to the outdoors to remove moisture from high humidity areas, particularly in bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry areas. Furniture should be moved slightly away from walls so the air can freely pass behind it. Condensation occurs when warm, humid air comes into contact with a cold surface and the moisture condenses into water, such as seen on single-pane windows. In chronically damp areas, such as basements or crawl spaces, or areas where condensation is occurring, it is recommended that dehumidifiers be used to maintain humidity levels below 60%. For expert advice on preventing excess moisture and mold contamination, it is recommended that you contact AIHA or an AIHA-listed industrial hygienist. For more information, visit the Mold Resource Center at aiha.org/mold.